Let's get started using Split View on the iPad to complete a math problem. Split View allows you to have two apps open side by side, making it easier to multitask and utilize different applications simultaneously. So first, I want to open my OneNote app. So OneNote is this purple icon with the N. I'm going to open that because I've already got an assignment, a math assignment in there. And I want to look at this very first problem. So I did it already, but let's just say I'm not sure I'm correct. So I want to check it on the calculator, or maybe if I want to even do more problems on the calculator. To access Split View, I'm going to click these three dots at the top of the screen, and I'm going to choose Split View. And then here's where you're going to select the second app, and it tells you choose another app. Well, I want to use my Desmos calculator. So I could swipe down to find this app, and there it is. It's this scientific calculator. If I didn't know, I could type it in, and the first three letters, just Des for Desmos, and there it is. There's the calculator. It opens it, and it puts them side by side. Notice I can still slide around on this part, so if I want to write a little more, I can. And if I want to go over here to the calculator, I can. So I'm just going to put this same problem, just like it's written here, in my calculator. 7 plus 8, and then I'm going to use my parentheses, 8 plus 1, and close my parentheses. And I did get the same answer of 79. That's great. I didn't have to remember the problem or get out a piece of paper to write it down. I have all of those. Now, I could put this solution in my actual problem in my homework. To get out of Split View, I'm just going to slide the app that I want to keep to full screen. And let's say I want to do Split View again, but with a different app. I'm going to choose the Canvas Student app this time. It's going to open. I want to find the course. There's my math class. I'm going to go to the actual assignment. And so there it is, order of operations practice. I'm going to launch the external tool. Notice I didn't have to leave OneNote this whole time. I started this assignment, so I'm going to resume it. I'm going to look at that first question. Notice it's the exact same problem. So I can type in here my answer of 79, and I can submit that question, and I can see I got it correct. I didn't have to close my work to get there. So now I can move on to question 2. I can use Split View with the calculator again. Using Split View allows you to seamlessly switch between apps without losing your place. Now you're ready to use Split View. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time.